clutches my luck. This one also doesn't want to work. I actually want to see how this Swiitch Beauty Bubble Blush in the shade Brown Sugar is going to look. One I purchased didn't work. It didn't dispense, so they were sweet enough to send me a new one. So let's see if she works. I hope she works. I hope like, that's just my luck. This one also doesn't want to work. And then this one also doesn't want to work. No. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna take it off, take this out, and then I'm gonna put this onto the applicator. Okay, I'm just gonna use it like this. I just don't think this is my shade of blush, although that is actually so pretty. Whoa, wait. I'm so sad this doesn't dispense. Like, not either one of them. I don't want to. You have to my makeup plan, you know? Okay. I think that's pretty, eh? Ooh, that's gorgeous. Wow. Actually really nice, hey? It's a pretty blush. I thought it was like going to be very dark, but the undertone is gorgeous. This is the only way I'm going to be able to dispense it is with a brush, which is quite sad, but I just love the color. Stunning. I love it. I haven't had a dark blush or a blush as dark as this before. Sort this out just now. Pretty, but she pretty. Let's take this brush, just work this in. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. I have two now that are technically broken, but the same shade, but it's fine. I'll make it work, okay? Wow, I honestly love this blush so much. It's just a pity that the packaging doesn't want to work.